Hey, this is Vince Galiti from Gasper's Best and HP Pharmacy. Quick question before we get started. What do you call a skull without a billion neurons? Come on guys, it's an easy one. In fact, I would even call it a no-brainer. Terrible jokes aside, did you know that your brain and all of those neurons actually need oxygen, stimulation, and glucose to be able to function on a day-to-day basis? Now, that doesn't mean that you should go to Starbucks and guzzle down a 4-pump mocha frappuccino, because that's not the point. But it is true that your brain uses glucose, which is the simplest form of sugar in your body, as energy to be able to communicate with the rest of the nerve cells in your body. In fact, as we age, many neurodegenerative diseases and things like Alzheimer's are often related to a combination of these three things that have had an impact on our bodies over time. Now, nothing is going to slow down Father Time, and we're all going to have to face that someday. However, there are some things we can do to help slow down the impact of those kind of things on our brain over time by improving the way that our brain uses oxygen, uses sugar, and reduce stress and inflammation and things like that in our brain. There are a lot of nutrients and compounds that can help with these kind of things. Things like DHA fatty acids, antioxidants and anti-inflammatories like resveratrol and curcumin, and even things like ginkgo biloba, which you may or may not have heard of. Today, one of our pharmacists at HP Pharmacy, James Park, is going to discuss just one of these nutrients called phosphatidylserine. Now, phosphatidylserine helps with blood glucose utilization in your brain, which, as I said, helps your brain communicate with the rest of your body. However, it also helps stop and clear out the formation of something called amyloid plaque, which can form on your neurons in your brain. And this is actually directly related to the onset of conditions like Alzheimer's. Now, if you catch it early, it's something that may be able to help delay the onset of Alzheimer's. But enough from me. Let's hear what James has to say on the subject.
According to World Health Organization, approximately 115.4 million people worldwide may suffer from dementia by 2050. In order to prevent possible impairment of our cognitive function, we need to supply our brain with nutrients it needs to stay healthy and function as it should. A study published from Advances in Therapy in 2014 suggests age-related memory loss can be related to a decrease of phospholipids, especially phosphatidylserine or PS. PS is found in neuronal membrane that is used to keep our brain cells healthy. And PS is also used in brain to reduce oxidative stress and is also used as an essential nutrient in our brain. PS also helps to keep check in numbers of neurotransmitters and glucose utilization. And results from the study was very promising. Soy-derived phosphatidylserine was actually absorbed very well in our system and led to significant improvements on numbers of study subjects. Now, also through the study, they learned that PS can stabilize one's mood and stress level as well. Recent studies certainly shows promising results with intake of phosphatidylserine complex. So for any questions, please ask any one of us at HMB Pharmacy for help. Today, I want to introduce our new Gaspar product, phosphatidylserine complex for memory loss. Through Gasper's Best phosphatidylserine complex, you can take blends of brain nutrients derived from soybean. And this product does not contain any sugar, salt, dairy, gluten, preservatives, or artificial colors/flavors. So for a stronger mental health and stabilized emotion as we age, Gaspar's Best phosphatidylserine complex can help.